Welcome to Matematika. Today we're going to do the practice problem that I had given you in the previous video. So we're going to solve it and see if you are getting the same answer. All right, we're going to start. A line passes through the points -7, -9, and -3, -4. Find an equation for the line in all three forms for linear equations. Now, to recall, the three forms are the slope-intercept form, that is f of x equals mx plus b. The second one, we have the point slope form, and that is y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. And we have the standard form, that is a sub x plus b sub y equals c. So we're going to use all these three forms in solving this problem. So I'm going to start here with the slope-intercept form. I'm going to put a division here. Then we have the point slope form, and the third is the standard form. Okay. Now, in the slope-intercept form, we have f of x plus mx plus b. Might as well I'm going to change the f of x into y, and that would be mx plus b. We don't have the slope, but we are given 2 points. So we do have to find the slope first, and that would be my step 1, wherein the slope would be the change in y over the change in x. Using these 2 points right here, we have -7, -9, and -3, -4. So I will identify them as x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Substituting the values, y sub 2 is -4 minus y sub 1 is -9 over x sub 2 -3 minus x sub 1 -7. Simplifying, that would be -4 plus 9 and -3 plus 7. So the slope would be -4 plus 9 is 5, -3 plus 7 is 4. So we have the slope. But I cannot use the y equals mx plus b because the y-intercept is not given. Not given. So might as well, I'm going to use the point slope form, which is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Since there is a point given and we know the value of the slope. Then afterwards, I could derive it into a slope-intercept form. Okay? All right. So I'm going to use this point, the first point. Y minus y sub 1 is negative 9. The slope is 5 over 4 times x minus x sub 1 is negative 7. So we have y plus 9 equals 5 over 4 x plus 7. This is already in a point slope form. Okay? So from here, from the point slope form, I will proceed in order to get the slope-intercept form. All right, let's do this. Okay, we have a denominator. So let's eliminate the denominator 4 by multiplying 4 on both sides. So here on the left, we have 4y plus 36. Oops. Equals. I could cancel the 4, and that would be 5x plus 35. Okay. Now, let's subtract 36 on both sides. So the left would become 4y. Then we have 5x minus 1. We cancel out the 36. Okay, so we're going to isolate the y. Since we have 4 as the coefficient of y, we take that out by dividing 4. So that 4 will be canceled out. Now y is isolated. So we have 5x minus 1 over 4. Or you could do that, or you could simplify more by doing this. 5x over 4 minus 1/4 as your slope-intercept form. Okay. In finding the standard form, I think I'm going to do this one here first. I'm gonna use this, or I'm going to use this right here. I'm gonna use 4y equals 5x minus 1 from here. All right. From here, you know, the standard form is ax plus by equals c. That means the x and the y should be on the left side. Okay? So what we're going to do is to move 5x to the left by subtracting 5x on both sides. Right? So we have a negative 5x plus 4y equals negative 1. And this is our the standard form, wherein this is your AX, this is your A sub X, this is your B sub Y, equals, this is your C. All right, that's it. So this is the standard form. We have the point slope form and the slope intercept form. I hope everybody was able to review this, and you will be good if you remember all this stuff when you do your AP Precalculus. Okay, see you on the next video, everyone.